YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl World Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell a mama and them, and they partners and them, because we are litty over here. And without further ado, y'all know how we get down. We doing unboxing. Let's see. I got 4 packages. Oh wait. So I got 4 big, well, medium size, and then 2 small ones. I gotta open up the small ones off here because my address is everywhere. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Let's see. Might sound a little funny, y'all. Got a little tooth infection from, I'm trying to see that. I don't think I was doing YouTube when I had got my root canal, or was I? I don't know, y'all, but I had got a root canal. Long story short, I never got the crown put on it because during that time I have the funds. And yeah, so me not ever getting a crown on the root canal got an infection, and it got me feeling a little because y'all know I got MS. So when I get infections, whether it's like a bladder infection, tooth infection, infected nail, like if I break a nail and it's real bad, like whatever, it puts me down bad. So yeah, I just been trying to take this medicine that they gave me, and I'll keep y'all updated. But if I sound kind of funny, face swollen, jaw a little swollen, got cotton in my ears, so I sound funny to myself, so sorry, y'all. So in those 2 little small ones, there were just 2 little things in each one. This is a keychain of a horse saddle. This is for my Nana for her birthday. It's coming up soon. She loves horses, so I got her a horse saddle keychain, something she can put on her keys. Something cute from her grandchildren. So I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna keep that closed. And both of these are from the Expressway. And then this is, because y'all know I love nostalgic stuff. This is supposed to be a keychain, like a Tamagotchi flashlight. And I don't know why I remember this, or maybe I'm just, I don't know, maybe it's the Mandela effect or something. But do y'all remember this back in the day? Didn't this used to be like a McDonald's or a Burger King toy? I could have swore there was a Tamagotchi toy at McDonald's or Burger King, and it had the light. It wasn't the working virtual machine, but it was just the light thing. Y'all tell me, am I tripping? But yeah, it's a little Tamagotchi flashlight keychain thing. You could turn it on and off right there, battery operated. Yeah, y'all know I'm gonna use it as a keychain or a purse charm. A little something. Let's see. We got this right here. Where is this from? Hold on, y'all. Another address. Dang, they didn't smash the cone. Y'all, I tell you. I sure do tell you. This is my address. Okay. Alright, y'all, so let's move it on a little back. So first we're going to do, hold on. One is mine, and I have got another one for somebody else. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so This is also from the Expressway. Came across this, it's like a, what is it called? The Long Shop dupe. The little dumpling nylon bag. It's like the miniature, or I mean either the mini or the micro size. Yo. Oh, you gotta excuse me. My hands are feeling like they're not trying to work today. So yeah, this is in the color black nylon, and the inside, it's, you know, just regular. I'm not even in picture. Hold on, y'all. Okay, there we go. We're in focus. So an inside is regular. It doesn't have like any type of pockets or anything. It's like a, I don't know. It's like that material you see I'm making like lines and stuff in it. I don't know. What is it, like faux schmeather? Because it ain't leather. But yeah, I got it in the black color with the brown and yellow stitching for the hardware, gold hardware. Or that's more like rose gold, kind of, sort of. Yeah, kind of like a rose gold. And yeah, so I thought this was cute. Y'all, I'ma try these all white press-ons, because sometimes I polish my feet, sometimes I don't, because a lot of times I'm wearing my Crocs or sneakers, because I love sneakers. But I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna try these all white press-on toenails from the Expressway. I'm gonna let y'all know how they go, because I don't know, hopefully they can fit my, y'all, my big toe is big. I got my daddy's feet, so hopefully this large one is really a large. That look like a small toe. Yeah, I got Flintstone feet. Ain't no shame in my game. These are defense combs. I got them for the people in my family. I'll open this one and get it to my mom. If y'all see my last video, I had a pink one. That one was for me. But yeah, I got these for a couple people in my family, and it's a defense comb, and the comb is actually functional, so you can actually use it to comb your hair. So that's good. Put those over there. And here I got my Nana. We got her horse ring. Is this on my address and my phone number? I don't know. A horse ring, and I don't want to open it, but it got a horse on it, and it's in sterling stainless silver, or what is it? No, I think this one is stainless silver. So that's that. There's stuff right there. And what's in here? Y'all know my favorite color is purple. So y'all had to get this in purple, because the last time I got one Marc Jacobs bag, what color was it? I want to say it was like in a lilac or a type of a lavender, light purple. So I ended up giving that to my mom. And I think did I give her another Marc Jacobs bag? Yeah, y'all, I gave my mama another one, so she loved these bags. And I seen this color purple, and I was like, oh, this is so cute. I thought it was going to be like a little darker. Why am I not in view? Okay. I thought it was going to be like a little darker, but it's okay. I like this purple because it's dark enough. Well, it's darker than the last one I had. On the back, it says usual logo, the location, NYC, year 1984. Gold hardware, zipper, closure. It does come with the removable strap. Y'all know I always add my own guitar strap. And has the pocket thingy thing back there. Black interior. And yeah, y'all, I thought this was cute. Yep. And I want to say this was between 15 and 19 bucks. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love that purple color. Alright, let's get into it. Ooh. Put this in a big old Ziploc bag. Okay. So y'all thought this was just, you know, something cute to have, you know, Y'all know me. Some days I got my purse where I want to have like a little purse that's just a little cute to just pack everything that's the essentials. And then some days I carry a big purse or a book bag where I'm carrying everything under the kitchen sink. So I got this and I thought it was cute. It's kind of like that. What is it, like microfiber? It's giving me like dishcloth, bath cloth type of material. And I thought it was cute. I thought it was cute. I thought it was cute. Why was I about to say something else? Anyway, you know when you thinking of something and you're talking at the same time and you keep saying the same word and it's just like y'all got a flashback. Anyway, I thought this was cute. So I was like, why not? It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. It's like a medium, little something size. So I was like, why not? Has the closure where you just, do the little magnetic closure. That's all you need. And the inside, just silky black with a pocket right here. Same thing. So it's just enough for me to like put my phone in here, lip gloss wipes, perfume, my glasses, sunglasses, wallet. It's just enough space. It's kind of like a miniature fanny pack, basically. There's no pocket on the back. It does have this I hate these type of extended straps because they sometimes don't go as long as they look. So let me see. Okay, this long enough. So yeah, this is cute. When I seen the picture, I thought it was gonna be like a faux fur type situation as far as the material, but that's not what it is. But I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this little miniature video and hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.